आज का पॉडकास्ट शुरू करने से पहले मैं हमारे गेस्ट और पॉडकास्ट किस बारे में है वो चीज को थोड़ा सा अच्छे से इंट्रोड्यूस कर देता हूं, क्योंकि पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्ड करते टाइम वो ठीक से नहीं हो पाया था। एक चीज जो हम किसी भी कंट्री, बी इट जापान, यूएस, कोरिया, किसी के भी बारे में अप्रिशिएट करते हैं वो ये है कि वो अपने कल्चर एंड हेरिटेज को किसी भी मीडिया के थ्रू, लेट्स से मूवीज, एनिमेशन, टीवी सीरीज या फिर कोई और मीडियम के थ्रू काफी अच्छे से दुनिया के सामने प्रेजेंट करते हैं और हमें भी वो चीजें जानकर काफी अच्छा लगता है। सिमिलरली इंडिया में भी हमारा कल्चर काफी रिच है, कितने सारे फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं और कितनी सारी फोक स्टोरीज हैं जिनको हम अलग अलग मीडियम्स के थ्रू कितने सुंदर तरीके से दुनिया के सामने लाते हैं और दुनिया भी हमारे कल्चर को काफी एम्ब्रेस करती है। लेकिन उसके बावजूद ऐसी ना जाने कितनी चीजें हैं जिनको कभी एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया गया है। उनमें से ही एक है उत्तराखंड का एक पॉपुलर फोक फेस्टिवल फूलदेई। ये फेस्टिवल सालों साल से उत्तराखंड में मार्च और अप्रैल के मंथ में स्प्रिंग सीजन के टाइम मनाया जाता है। देहरादून उत्तराखंड से एक एनिमेटर एंड फिल्म मेकर हैं जिनका नाम है कार्तिक महाजन, जिन्होंने इस फेस्टिवल की खूबसूरती को अपनी एक 7 मिनट की शॉर्ट फिल्म में दिखाया है। फूलदेई एक ऐसा फेस्टिवल है जो धीरे धीरे लुप्त हो रहा है क्योंकि लोग जॉब्स एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज की तलाश में बड़ी सिटीज में मूव कर जाते हैं और उनका कल्चर कहीं पीछे छूट जाता है और ये फेस्टिवल उस लॉन्गिंग को कैप्चर करता है। एंड बिलीव मी, ये सिर्फ 7 मिनट का है बट इट हैज द पावर टू लीव अ वेरी लास्टिंग इम्पैक्ट ऑन यू एंड एक्चुअली मेक यू क्राई। बट तुम 1.5 से 2 घंटे का पॉडकास्ट एक ऐसी एनिमेटेड फिल्म के बारे में क्यों देखोगे जो सिर्फ 7 मिनट की है और ना जाने किस अनजान फेस्टिवल के बारे में है। वेल, कार्तिक NIT पास आउट हैं और ये उनका फाइनल ईयर ग्रेजुएशन प्रोजेक्ट था जिसको अब तक 40 फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स में दिखाया जा चुका है। यस, इट इज गेटिंग नॉट ओनली डोमेस्टिक बट इंटरनेशनल रिकॉग्निशन एज वेल। रिसेंटली ये टोक्यो में होने वाले डिजिकॉन एशिया 2024 में भी नॉमिनेट हुई है, representing India. This is representing Indian animation in Japan. So yes, as an Indian, you should be interested in this amazing work and the young aspiring artist Karthik Mahajan who is behind this short film. इस particular podcast में हमने उनकी पूरी जर्नी के बारे में बात की, from being an artist to an independent filmmaker and animator, what struggles do Indian animators generally face, animation की इंडिया में currently क्या state है और तुम लोगों के भी जो animation related question थे जो तुमने community post पर डाले थे वो सभी हमने उनसे पूछे हैं। इस पॉडकास्ट से तुम्हें काफी कुछ जानने मिलेगा अबाउट द एनिमेशन प्रोसेस, लाइफ ऑफ एनिमेटर्स एंड द स्टेट ऑफ एनिमेशन इन इंडिया। तो हो सके तो इसको एकदम एंड तक सुनना। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। अरे यार शिट, मेरी स्क्रीन ब्लैंक हो गई, सॉरी। बट तुम्हारे में रिकॉर्ड हो रहा होगा ना, तुम्हारे में हो रहा होगा, डोंट वरी।
मेरे पे भी हो रहा है।
We have Karthik with us और आजकल तुम देख रहे होगे कि इंडिया में एनिमेशन का सीन काफी not very good। तो आज हम जानेंगे कार्तिक से कि what are his thoughts and what is his journey of animation and what he wants to do in the grand scheme of events. Now over to you.
First of all, Karthik, thank you so much for accepting the invitation to be on Chai with Senpai. And we are just glad कि we got to see your work. First of all, let me ask, are we allowed to? अच्छा, मतलब नाम तो बोल सकते हैं, नाम कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, like full day. All right, okay, it's cool. Okay, so his name, his क्या बोलते हैं जो उन्होंने बनाया जो मूवी, उसका नाम है Fool Day. It hasn't been released yet. तुम लोग देख नहीं सकते हो, definitely अभी नहीं देख सकते हो. But I think you have plans to release it later on, है ना? Definitely. Yeah, okay. All right. So, Karthik, first question जो हमारे मन में आया है सीधा, मतलब मैंने खैर already पूछ लिया है, but for the people who are, watching right now the podcast, what's your age? ठीक है, हमको तो पता ही लग गया, हम लोग तो डिप्रेशन में चले गए हैं।
Yeah, I'm 23. So I completed my bachelor's in communication design from NIT last year. So, yeah, I'm working as a freelancer animator.
The reason why I asked this question is because हमने एक community post डाला था अपने channel पे, where we had a lot of people asking the similar questions. They wanted to know the direction कि हम इस direction में, इस field में कैसे जा सकते हैं, इसका scope क्या है, because now you are at the place जहाँ पे लोग जाना चाहते हैं, like to be. So मेरा पहला question तो ये होगा, how did you get into
पहला वो क्वेश्चन पूछा ना जो हमेशा हमसे पूछते हो, how is life?
Okay, yeah. How are you doing? पहला question, how are you doing?
How is life? That's
How's
the
life?
right
How's
phrasing. How is life? I forgot to thank you all for inviting me.
Oh.
and
No worries,
I'm
bro.
also
Oh,
lucky enough to be here and like talk to you guys. So, life is good. Life is actually good. 1 year of animating in that table, and then now finally able to like we are doing a festival run of a film right now. It's getting selected to a lot of festivals, and so yeah, it's good. I'm
It's
happy.
good.
I'm motivated. Yeah, and living
See,
it.
I think you're the only one here who has ever said, like कि भाई हाँ अच्छी चल रही जिंदगी हम लोग हम लोग
नहीं
जब भी
अच्छा
वाला
चल रहा
क्वेश्चन
है,
पूछते हैं
अच्छा चल रहा
हम
है.
लोग अच्छा ओ
वो
ओके चेंज हो गया थोड़ा ऑल राइट
we got to see an exclusive film
ओ
जो
या
हमारी
या
ऑडियंस अभी नहीं
दैट
देख सकती है.
या हाँ मतलब भाई और बहन देखो तुम्हें नहीं पता होगा बट हम लोग ऑलरेडी कार्तिक ने जो फिल्म बनाई है वो हम लोग देख चुके हैं एंड वी आर टेलिंग यू
So
माइंड ब्लोइंग मतलब
let's start from the film itself. तो सबसे
या
पहले मैं तुमसे जानना चाहूंगा फूल देई का मतलब क्या है?
अच्छा, फूलदेई। तो फूलदेई एक फेस्टिवल है जो हम उत्तराखंड से मनाते हैं। तो आई माई सेल्फ आई एम सिटिंग इन देहरादून राइट नाउ। आई एम फ्रॉम देहरादून। तो ये एक फेस्टिवल है जो फ्लावर्स का है। मतलब कहने को बहुत प्यारा सा फेस्टिवल है जिसमें चिल्ड्रंस आर कॉल्ड फुलारीज एंड दे गो आउटसाइड अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग टू कलेक्ट फ्लावर्स फॉर देयर विलेज एंड दे ब्रिंग ऑल द फ्लावर्स बिफोर द एल्डरलीज आर अप। तो पूरा विलेज डेकोरेट करते हैं मतलब फ्लावर से and to welcome Goga Mata. It has a mythological element to it, but as a festival itself, it's a very unique festival that our state has. But slowly we have forgotten celebrating it. So this film is also about talking about this and why we are not celebrating it, what is happening in the state, also selling the USP of our state, that is value of flowers. तो पूरा फूलों की कहानी है और वो फूलों की ही जुबानी है।
नाइस
नाइस
ओके, ये चीज लाइक मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता थी. सो लाइक अभी फेस्टिवल कम मनाया जाता है, कम लोग मनाते हैं या फिर लाइक खत्म हो रहा है?
It's slowly vanishing. मतलब we used to celebrate it a lot, but because of certain events or certain time जैसे पास हुआ, people have moved on to different places, and जब आप अपनी रूट से दूर रहते हो तो बहुत सारी चीजें आप छोड़ देते हो ना. तो वैसे लाइक पीपल सेलिब्रेटेड, अगर कोई पॉलिटिशियन आ रहे हैं तो या they do celebrate it there to show culture and all, but not like as a rooted festival that it was earlier back in the days. So yeah, it's about that only. It's a tragic story.
सो आप ओरिजिनली उत्तराखंड से हैं?
हाँ, मैं देहरादून में ही पैदा हुआ था तो मैं यहीं से ही हूँ. देन कॉलेज के लिए मैं बाहर चला गया था. अभी घूम फिर के फिर से मैं यहीं आ रहा हूँ बार-बार.
ओके. सो जैसा मुझे लाइक हमने मूवी देखी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मूवी बहुत सुंदर दिखती है, बहुत इम्पैक्ट छोड़ती है, एक सेंस ऑफ
Yeah.
नॉस्टैल्जिया, लॉन्गिंग वो सब मिलता है, एंड वो लास्ट में थोड़ा क्लियर भी हो जाता है जब एडिशनल इन्फॉर्म दी जाती है. उसके पहले तो मैं यही सोच रहा था कि ओके दिस इज़ वेरी नाइस एंड आई वुड लाइक टू नो मोर अबाउट द अप्रोच जो मेकर लेना चाहता है या बताना चाहता है, जो कहना चाहता है इसके थ्रू. थोड़ा सा ऑल्दो वो क्लियरली बाद में आ गया, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम द फेस्टिवल इटसेल्फ, like does this come from a personal experience के did someone move out of the state और उसके बाद
I think
childhood
you were
का
trying
longing.
to tell your own story, right? Like in a right, because you just now said कि you also moved out, so that was like, oh, okay, actually that matches.
So
So you're trying to-
the inspiration, so the inspiration of this story comes from my college only. So I am coming from NIT. तो वहाँ पे हर कोई अपने यहाँ का मतलब कुछ हर स्टेट का बंदा है. Like my roommate was from Kerala. So everybody is bringing something to the table about their state, about their culture and everything. So that is where this concept of Fool Day and concept of me bringing Uttarakhand to Madhya Pradesh was kind of powered. So this did take like 3 years of concept art and all, जो मतलब मैं back of the mind apart from assignments करता रहता था. I did went through a lot of research and also ट्रैकिंग बहुत पसंद है मेरे को. तो जहाँ गया था मतलब जहाँ भी जाता था वहाँ एक गोस्ट विलेज मिला मेरे को काफी जगह. मतलब बहुत लोकेशन, लाइक इफ यू गाइस हैव सीन द फिल्म, उसमें लास्ट में
हाँ हाँ हाँ
वी हैव पुट
Yeah, yeah. Huh.
like
Hmm.
photos clicked by me and my team only. So we went to these larger than life landscapes, beautiful environment. Like अभी आप Instagram में हो, वहाँ जाने के लिए you will like to live that life, you will pay a lot because Airbnb or homestays है. But people have abandoned it. Like people are not living there. They have moved out of that place, and it's like larger than life landscape but emptiness. So in Gadwali, in my local language, it's called Yakulans, loneliness को. So that is like one of the main subject that I wanted to show कि like इतना प्यारा सब कुछ है but तब भी उसमें खालीपन है. तो हाँ, like that is the inspiration like जो मेरे को personally track करते हुए या बार बार घर आते हुए हमेशा feel हुआ. तो उसकी वजह से वो फिल्म थोड़ा
द
वैसे
द इमेजिनेशन, जो चाइल्डहुड वंडर और जो ब्यूटी उसमें देखने मिलती है मूवी में, बहुत बहुत अच्छी है. एंड एक और चीज़ जो स्टैंड आउट की, वो था जो गाना उसमें फीचर्ड है,
Hmm.
वो बहुत ज़्यादा
so
इम्पैक्टफुल था इमोशनली उसको एलिवेट करने के लिए. सो वो मतलब कैसे पार्ट बना इसका?
So this was like a self-funded student film. Graduation project था basically मेरा. It was not my graduation project. It was more like a student project पहले तो. फिर बाद में वो graduation project बन गया. But I didn't had any money to make a film. ना कोई गाना मेरे को आता है, ना गाना ना बनाना आता है. I'm very bad with music. So I contacted, started cold mailing people कि भाई मैं कुछ बना रहा हूँ ये वो. And there's this very beautiful band. It's like one of the most famous band from Uttarakhand. They are called Pandavas. So like randomly they just saw one of my concept art, and then I got the opportunity to meet them, and I went to Ishan Bhaiya and told him कि like मेरे को अभी फिल्म बनाना है, एक बनाना है, अभी मैंने बनाई नहीं है, but like आप अगर गाना दे सको, मतलब उनका एक गाना है फुलारी, that is the song that we use in the
Yeah.
film.
Mm-hmm.
And I showed them all the concept art, told him कि मेरे को कुछ बनाने, like I don't have any money, मेरे को student film है. So luckily he trusted me, and then he gave me the rights for the song. And yeah, it's something like the song itself is like telling that same story.
हाँ
If you like see the lyrics,
Yeah.
it's also
Yeah.
communicating the same idea. Yeah, I was fortunate enough to get in contact with those people and lucky enough to get those rights. तो
या
वो थोड़ा हाथ पैर मारना पड़ता है. हो जाता है इंडिया में तो मारना ही पड़ता है यार.
इट केम
Yeah.
आउट रियली ब्यूटीफुल यार. सबसे पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस कंप्लीशन के लिए, एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस के इतनी जगह फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स में फीचर हो रही है, उसको रिकग्निशन मिल रहा है, एंड डिजर्वेडली. सो
Yeah.
नाउ ऐश वी कैन मूव टू द प्लान्ड क्वेश्चंस. ये तो मेरे पर्सनल क्वेश्चंस सब
I
हैं.
mean, नहीं मेरा no पता है क्या मेरा सबसे पहला एक the one question that I was like about to ask in the beginning of the podcast was that how did you get into art? Like you could have because Abhi Uttarakhand se you said right, I am from Uttarakhand as well. Like I'm from is Uttarakhand is Nainital in Uttarakhand? It is, right? Okay, yeah. Yeah. So my mom is from there and I visit a lot. Gadwali bhi मेरे को थोड़ी बहुत समझ लेता हूँ पर मैं I cannot say it. But what I but what I noticed was people from Uttarakhand, they are talented बोलते हैं भाई, मतलब legit, I'm not even kidding. I have seen a lot of people who can actually like they have talents in singing, music भी है, सब है. My question is why, and so how did you get into art? Like what was the story?
बेसिकली ये तो सबका होता है, मतलब जिससे भी आप मिलोगे. बचपन से ड्राइंग पसंद है, पढ़ाई में वीक है, तो ड्राइंग का शौक लग गया. But I would like to especially talk about animation itself. For me, animation was something that I never tried. I made my first film when I was in foundation. It was a decent film. But then I was researching about Indian animation history, and there's one person, Arnab Chaudhary. He's a
Yeah.
legendary animator.
Oh.
So listening to his story, watching his film was something that really inspired me. That's why like Fool Day itself is a tribute to him. And maybe he was the person who actually welcomed me in that world of animation. And that's when I decided like I also want to make a film, animation related only, or like animated film. So yeah, like that was something जहाँ से start हुआ था. And like I used to draw a lot of caricatures, cartoons of people, and I love teaching. So there are a lot of NGOs in Dehradun. So 1 year I was taking a drop year to prepare for NID after college. I used to make caricatures for 20 rupees and save up money to do workshop for those kids. So that
Yeah.
is where something that triggered me
Wow.
कि अच्छा करना तो यही है, मजा इसमें ही आ रहा है. तो वो करता था मैं.
Wow, that's just amazing. Okay, so that's the root story of yours, right? Okay, so next मेरा एक और question ये भी था कि you know in जितना हमने देखा, right, in the movie Fool, I saw, like, my question is, एक वो जो ghost वाला जो figurine जो था, right, it was a character. My POV is like I completely didn't like understand it. Like पूरा समझ नहीं आया, मेरे को थोड़ा समझ में आया. But what's the explanation for that ghost?
Okay, so earlier it was something else for me. It was more like I told you when I was telling you about Fool Day, तो गोगा माता को welcome करने के लिए. So it was more like a spiritual figure that I wanted to add in the film. But later I realized, like, apart from playing from mythology, I can, like, what if we give a shape to a mountain? What if there is a spirit of mountain? So उसका पूरा character is like kind of metaphorically showing a पहाड़. तो उसका जो टोपी है इट्स मेड ऑफ आइस, उसके बाल जो हैं वो बादल के बने हुए हैं, फ्लोरा फॉना इन द मिडल एंड रिवर गंगा ऑन द बॉटम. सो बेसिकली इट्स सिंबलाइजिंग उत्तराखंड in a way, and that is where the form derived from. I can, like, definitely share some concept art with you, so like that will help you to अच्छा कि ऐसे.
Yeah. That, okay, now I know, I get it now. You know.
We are talking about that god character ना, वो जो पानी में से बाहर आता है.
हाँ, wait.
That is not a ghost. That is how do you define?
No, I mean,
him as a
no.
ghost?
It was. See, the color scheme, right? मैं बता रहा था ना उस time पे, like, I loved the color scheme in the movie definitely, but जब वो वैसे आया ना, वैसे like ऐसे करके आया, तो मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि you know Casper, right?
Yeah, Casper, I know.
So,
Casper, I know.
वैसा वाला थोड़ा सा मेरे को, फिर मैं 2 मिनट से मैं तभी मैंने क्लियर करने के लिए पूछ रहा हूँ, wait, was I like getting something wrong or like that? But okay, anyways, it's amazing.
We have found world like that ghost.
Okay,
You're absolutely right. But
so
later we added to it.
Yeah. So Karthik, when I started watching the movie, I saw the characters, the art style. It really immediately clicked to me. But then I saw that कि वो like bus आती है and then bus के wheels ऐसे आड़े टेढ़े, and I was like, okay, this is my stuff. I like it. Like it.
It was more like feet, you know, like ऐसे like bus भी.
हाँ. When like उसको purposely वैसा किया जाए, like you just take the liberty. It's animation. So like how so it's about the entire art style of the movie, like your art style, that is yours. How did you develop it? What was the process? Because I believe every artist has a style of their own. So what was yours? How did you develop it?
First wala scene, like I am doing a lot of private screening, so I get this a lot. Like that maska movement was something that really triggered us. Acha, are yes, like so the idea, so everything, like all the treatments and style nuances in the film comes from my inspiration. So same for the bus wala. So the movement of the bus, I wanted to show. आप कभी पहाड़ आओगे तो these people, these drivers ना, they are like very pro.
बहुत ज़्यादा
चला सकती, वो एक हाथ से मूव कर लेंगे. So I wanted to show that कि ये लोग pro हैं, like these are very rigorous drivers and there are a lot of hurdles on the way, because driving in plane is simple, like you have to like just take right or left, but driving in mountains is like you have to take velocity, everything into consideration, and these people are doing it very proly. So that's why I like, so triangle is like one of the difficult shape when it comes to movement. So that's why I implemented triangle in that place. कि वो थोड़ा difficulty बढ़ाएगा to, and also like it adds to the funny element to it. कि वो थोड़ा सा it shows the struggle and that proneness that these drivers carry with them.
To me, it looked very innovative because it had a like a कैसे बोलेंगे, like it had a S curve, जैसे कोई वो चलता है ना, like animal की, मतलब ऐसे करके, right?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah. Yeah. The thing is, like average person, not किसी को, just an average viewer who is not very much into animation, watching animation. So when he sees it, he will be like, oh, the wheels should be round. It should not be triangle.
yeah.
But when you like, okay, I like it. It's triangle. It's better. So
That's the liberty anime gives you, to be honest.
yeah. So I want to talk about this. There is this Japanese director named Masaki Yuasa. If you have heard of him, you have heard of him.
I have not, but maybe I've gone through his work.
Yeah. If like
Shinchan-
giving your art style,
शिनचैन भी Yuasa का वर्क है ना?
no, not entirely. So
Certain parts.
yeah, he has worked on Shinchan पर भी काम करा हुआ है. But like his entire work, उनका पूरा जो history है, like the way he works on, likes to direct his animations, वो like काफी अच्छा लगेगा तुम्हें if you are into that kind of style.
काफी unique है.
Shinchan,
Yeah.
Shin was my childhood actually. So
Yeah.
and there's Studio Ghibli. Maybe there's this bus in one of the My
तो-
Neighbor Totoro.
Totoro में.
Like when I watched it first time, like, अरे यार ये हर किसी के साथ खेल रहे हैं मतलब. So let's try कि whatever elements I'm adding, I play with it.
I think वो like काफी ड्रॉ करता है तुमको कि तुम कोई एकदम रोजमर्रा की चीज देख रहे हो एंड देन इट इज समथिंग अनएक्सपेक्टेड, तो तुम्हारा एकदम से अटेंशन लेता है.
अगर हम इस बारे में बात अब कर ही रहे हैं, so let me go ahead and ask, have you or are you into watching anime like as like a hobby?
Yeah,
at all?
I do watch anime, but like to a very limited amount, because what happens now, anime wala people are very advanced, and sometimes
Ah.
I am a person who becomes too much, overwhelmed with, content. So my content gallery is very limited. If I watched a certain film, I 1 week will go around that film और मैं वैसा ही सोचूंगा, वैसे ही डिसीजन लूंगा और वैसे ही प्ले करूंगा. So हाँ, मेरे को वैसा होता है, like if I am watching any film or any content, तो थोड़ा वैसे ही दिमाग चलना शुरू हो जाता है. That's why I have watched Naruto, Death Note, Attack on Titan शुरू करा था.
Okay.
I have watched them, but like अभी मैं थोड़ा कम करता हूँ, like very limited amount. कुछ scenes देखने हैं तो देख लो, और because it kind of like, you're not even like your style, but it also plays with the way that you think, right? So
Yeah.
make it more, limited. It helps.
No, I mean, yeah, I get it. क्योंकि if you're not consuming उस space पे, तो then you are free to do your own creativity. Like your mind can actually come up with its own concept. Yeah, that makes sense actually. क्योंकि हमारी majority of audience is actually basically anime viewers, right? तो this is good that you actually, like said कि मैं थोड़ा देखता हूँ, but इसलिए भी देखता हूँ थोड़ा कम, क्योंकि I want to have my own creative space. भाई मतलब अपना भी चाहिए मेरे को. That makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense.
They are obviously my inspiration. Somewhere I am wearing Akatsuki every design.
Yeah.
My friend. So, but like you have to know about what's going on these days, but you also have to, sit with your own brain कि अच्छा मैं क्या करना चाह रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
In that way, like I do consume a very small amount of it.
That makes sense.
I think even if you try anime ना, तो you should try more artist oriented works. जैसे युवासा के तो हो ही
Mob.
गए.
Mob.
हाँ, maybe even Mob Psycho. मतलब
Mob
जिसमें
Psycho might be good.
जिसमें थोड़ा like story पे focus ना होके animation पे ज़्यादा focus है.
Yes. I actually watch a lot of Ghibli films. Studio Ghibli ka.
Studio Ghibli, yeah.
Very beautiful director. Like it's also like, I don't know if you have seen Wolf Walker, Secrets of the Kill. It's by Tom Morey. So Cartoon
Nice.
Saloon. I would recommend you guys कि वो भी देखो, because Full Day itself, like उसका treatment भी कहीं ना कहीं, it's inspired from his way of communicating 2D animation. So yeah, like I wanted to make the film in 3D, like camera move हो रहा है, सब हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है. But then I watched his interview. I love watching interviews of directors more than the film. उसमें पता चलता है कि ये लोग कैसे सोच रहे थे, या कभी स्क्रिप्ट खोल के बैठ जाओ कि अच्छा ये स्क्रिप्ट के अकॉर्डिंग उन्होंने विजुअल ऐसा बनाया, तो उसमें लाइक ही स्पोक अबाउट वन थिंग कि 2D एनिमेशन, उनका पूरा फिल्म में इट्स वेरी 2D, पर्सपेक्टिव ओनली कम्स व्हेन द कैरेक्टर इज स्केयर्ड लाइक नर्वस और समथिंग, सो दैट इज समथिंग जो आप 2D में ही कर सकते हो, मतलब विदाउट कैमरा, इट्स जस्ट फ्लैट. So yeah, something like that I also tried including in full day. Yeah.
I'm just looking at your background right now because मैंने पता एक चीज notice करी थी, and personally for me when I watched the movie the thing that caught my eye was the color, जो usage of जो colors जो था ना इतना मस्त था, like it was somehow calming but like Tarun bhai said right, it was nostalgic in a way. और जब मैंने खत्म करी when I fully watched the whole movie, it left me like yeah थोड़ा और देखिए और थोड़ा सा और देखने को मिल जाए. It was very amazing. So Tarun bro,
I know.
So अगर
बहुत था.
नहीं,
Sorry,
बहुत
I'm
अच्छा
cutting
था.
you off.
No, बहुत अच्छा था bro, definitely.
ऐश तुम वो क्वेश्चंस खोल के रखना प्लीज, क्योंकि मैं जब भी स्विच करूंगा ना मेरा स्क्रीन ब्लैंक हो जाएगा और मेरा
Okay.
फोन यहाँ पे लगा हुआ है, सो आई हैव नो रिटन थिंग.
Oh jeez, okay. अंकित
मैं
बॉय को
दो
मैं बोल देता हूँ.
बोल लेता हूँ उसको. हाँ.
तो हाँ अभी
So सबसे पहले तो इन्हें बता देते हैं राइट. देखो भाइयों, तुम लोगों ने जो क्वेश्चंस भेजे थे अपने कम्युनिटी पोस्ट वाले टैब में, अब हम थोड़े क्वेश्चंस उसके अराउंड भी पूछेंगे.
भाई पहले
But-
अपना
अभी
flow-
नहीं.
अपना
बट अभी नहीं.
अच्छा.
बट अभी नहीं.
क्लिकबेट.
रेज वेट हो.
ओके, तो कार्तिक, सबसे पहले तो मूवी के लिए तुम्हारे अभी क्या प्लान्स हैं तुम्हारी शॉर्ट फिल्म के लिए? अभी तुम जापान जा रहे हो तो इसी को की स्क्रीनिंग के लिए जा रहे हो ना?
हाँ, yes. अभी film festival, like we are sending it to film festival. So luckily अभी तक we have got into 42 film festival like all around the globe. So we had different premieres in different countries. और अभी like it got selected, like it won in Digicon Asia, like it won in Asia, India Gold I guess. So they have invited me to Japan for the finals. So उसके लिए I'm going. We had our international premiere at on like in world's second oldest film festival, that is Moscow International Film Festival. So that is where we started from. So Russia में हुआ था पहला premiere, then Peru, West Virginia. So yeah, around 42 countries we have done so far, and India में भी चल रहा है. So I go to private screenings and all. So yeah, all the
after hearing you say that, एक और क्वेश्चन माइंड में आया, which is very completely off from what we have actually been planning to ask you. भाई घर वाले तो बहुत प्राउड होंगे. घर वाले क्या कह रहे हैं, like because हमारे घर वाले बोलते उठ जाओ. like उठो थोड़ा काम करो.
नहीं, अभी तो like they are happy. मतलब जब काम कर रहा था they were actually supportive. It's a self funded film, तो पैसा तो पापा मम्मी का ही है और मेरे भाई का. बड़ा like I can tell you, जब पहली बार दिखाया था तो पापा का रिएक्शन था, अच्छा ये है. वो मेरे को लगा तू फिल्म पूरा बनाएगा, मतलब पूरा बड़ा फिल्म बनेगा. 12 फ्रेम बनते हैं.
उनको वो नहीं पता ना उसके पीछे कितना वर्क जाता है.
So was it entirely a solo project या फिर कोई और भी involved था इसमें? It was entirely a solo project. Yeah, nice.
मतलब हमने देखा था क्रेडिट्स में directed, animated, and I was like, भाई साहब, I just saw it, I was like, my God.
वो इतना credit scroll क्यों हो रहा था वो फोटोज के साथ?
मेरे गाइड्स, मेरे फैकल्टीज और
ट्रिब्यूट्स. अच्छा.
Music के लिए भी था उसमें.
Music, sound was done in Kerala. So yeah.
Amazing.
Sound was done in Kerala.
हाँ, like the sound designer, like my sound designer is from Kerala. He's also a student.
Oh.
तो भाई करेगा, हाँ भाई कर लेगा. सुधार में बनी है पिक्चर पूरी.
Amazing,
But
यार.
it came out amazing. It came out amazing. Like
Yeah,
हम
it
हम तो
totally.
mesmerized थे. हम तो mesmerized हो
भाई
गए थे.
यार बहुत मतलब ऐसा लगा कि दिल खुश हो गया यार, काफी दिनों बाद कुछ ऐसा
हाँ,
देखा, मतलब
Yeah,
Definitely.
it had
देखने
a
को मन किया बार बार.
very sunflower like feeling नहीं होती कि भाई ये देखो भाई
हाँ
फूल
मतलब फूल है ना, दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो गया देख के उसको.
हाँ वैसा या Alright, Turbo.
I will rewatch it a few times. और
You do.
हाँ, मैं ये और पूछना चाह रहा था फ्रॉम द व्यूअर्स पर्सपेक्टिव, जो इस पॉडकास्ट को देखेंगे दे विल हैव नो आइडिया कि हम किस बारे में बात कर रहे
इस
हैं.
बारे में बात कर रहे हैं या
तो लाइक डू यू हैव, मतलब तुम्हारे दिमाग में कोई प्लान है कि ओके 2 साल बाद या 3 साल बाद मुझे ये कहीं पे रिलीज करना है, लाइक पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म पे?
we are planning कि फेस्टिवल रन तो अभी इस साल चलेगा होल ईयर, बट जनवरी से we'll put out the trailer and we'll make it public because it was a film for Uttarakhand audience.
हाँ.
Like it was made in a way कि मैं अपने लोगों के लिए बना रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
So we'll release it soon, hopefully, जल्दी.
And while you are like about to go to Japan, do you have anything like you're looking forward to? Maybe like accidentally bumping into an animator. Oh, maybe.
That will be there because like 8 countries say people are coming. 8 Asian countries, top Asian countries are coming. So all of their directors will be there. I'm looking forward to meeting them and also मेरे को शिनचैन का कुछ टॉय लेना है यार जापान से. शिनचैन.
So कब अराउंड कब जा रहे हो तुम?
Next month only.
ओके. ये जिस मैं ऐसे ही ऑन अ साइड नोट बोल रहा हूँ कि ट्राई करो कि वहाँ के जो स्टूडियोज हैं उनको मेल करके उनके टच में आने का, कि तुम एक बार जाके उनका देख सको स्टूडियो.
Definitely. Like just that I was occupied with visa process. ऐसे ही ये हो गया है अभी मैं यही करता हूँ बैठ के. थैंक यू सो मच, मेरे को याद आपने बता दिया, मैं पक्का मेल करता हूँ. कोल्ड मेलिंग तो इंडियंस ग्रुप है.
नहीं, बट इट्स अ वेरी नाइस अपॉर्चुनिटी. अब तुम वहाँ हो ही और तुमको मौका मिल जाए, इट कैन बी अ लाइफ चेंजिंग थिंग. क्योंकि हमारे पिछले पॉडकास्ट में जो बात हो रही थी उस्मान सर से,
like the producer director,
his one of the main inspiration was Studio Ghibli. तो वो स्टूडियो विजिट करना काफी इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग लगा मुझे उनकी लाइफ का.
Wow. I would love to, but the thing is I'm there for very few days. जहाँ भी जा सकता हूँ वहाँ जाऊँगा, but हाँ, like I have seen they are putting out the making of the film last worker. So I have watched all of them. Huge respect for that person. Like, I love his work and his vision. यार मजा आ गया था.
मतलब I was thinking कि you said अभी मतलब even when he was telling ना कि उस मूवी को बनाने में 10 साल लगे, like भाई साहब मतलब कौन से टाइम से शुरू करा होगा, and like
the amount of perseverance जो
but I mean but this actually brings a very good train of thought. कि did you have any like what would you say like कि actually में problems आ रही थी like बनाते time like the movie?
Okay, so problems बहुत थी. I will tell you few examples, कुछ situations जो हुई थी मेरे साथ. First of all, I didn't know filmmaking है क्या, मतलब because I was from the first batch, तो हमारे कोई seniors नहीं थे. We never saw. The only way to learn about filmmaking and animation was from few courses and also YouTube and Instagram. तो उसमें I told you like I love colors, और आपने भी फिल्म में देखा है. So I always look forward to the final rendering part, कि मेरे को final color करके lighting मार के ऐसा. I never cared about कि एक rough cut होता है जिसमें आप सिर्फ roughly बनाते हो animation, है ना. तो मैंने जब अपना schedule बनाया था उसमें, because I was too lazy for a rough cut, तो I was like I gave 5 days. कि 5 दिन में तो जल्दी मेरे को ड्राइंग आती है, इतना तो प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है, जल्दी वो बनाने रफ से, फिर उसके बाद मैं फाइनल रेंडरिंग में टाइम दूंगा. एंड आई डिडंट रियलाइज दैट रफ कट also requires acting, and acting in animation is very tricky because here you have to record and like get references. Without studying life you cannot animate. So to figure out that entire thing, that rough cut took 50 days and fucked up my entire timeline.
Oh wow.
So yeah, those are like one huge struggle.
दिमाग में जब 5 दिन हो और 50 लग जाएं तो it can be very motivating.
Yeah, it was very motivating. तो वो हो गया था, and then so sound was also one tricky thing that I didn't know will be a huge part of filmmaking, because I told I love visuals. I didn't care about sound or music. Like music I got luckily, but sound was never a thing. So I told the voice of Medha, she's also my junior from college. I told her कि मेरा फिल्म में ना साउंड नहीं है, बस एक डायलॉग है भेजी, तो बस वो तो 2 मिनट में हो जाएगा रिकॉर्ड, और बाकी हुआ ही करना है, मतलब बस भागते हुए देखते हुए. एंड देन व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड रिकॉर्डिंग इट, वो माइक का वायर छोटा था. लाइक ओके, आई विल यूज माय आईपैड टू रिकॉर्ड. एंड करा, और जो फिर लगा है मेरा लास्ट में, जब साउंड डिजाइनर पे आई स्टार्टेड टेलिंग मी अरे इतना नॉइज है, ये है वो है, एंड देन यू कांट री रिकॉर्ड. लाइक वंस इट्स डन इट्स डन. सो वो हुआ, like there are struggles and there are like demotivating things also that goes around in your brain. You know बहुत ज्यादा manifest करते हो आप कि ऐसा होगा वैसा होएगा, but वैसा नहीं आ रहा है. So you have to also see other things that can be done. I wanted to make पूरा final line, like पूरा प्यारा सा line उसका होना चाहिए. एक line में उसका outline होना चाहिए, है ना? But when I animated with that treatment, it was looking very shitty. Like it was looking like a robot moving. So we kept the roughness in that. I think like that also holds the life in the film. वो rough characters हैं उसमें थोड़े. So those treatments you develop over the time. Like you realize while working on it, you grow as a person. So I think वही 10 साल में उनको तो बहुत ज्यादा ग्रो कर गए होंगे, इसमें तो 3 साल ही लगे वो. तो हाँ.
My God, like the amount of efforts. Like I'm just thinking about it. Because okay, but anyways, that's another tangent. But okay, Tarun boy, I think we should.
कल ही वीडियो देख रहा था जिसमें एक एडिटर था, एक बड़े यूट्यूबर का एडिटर था. He was claiming that any video that he makes is like 60 to 70% sound design and बाकी का visual part. So sound design is very important when it comes to filmmaking. Definitely.
Yeah, it's 50. Like definitely in animation, I always give it. Now I tell everyone 50-50. 50 is your visual, 50 is your music and sound. That
Yeah, even in the movie, right, Fool Day, the background noises जो थी ना, वो चिड़ियों की आवाज, और it had a very summer, like when you started hearing it, you are there, like कि हाँ, you are in that environment. That was very capturing, honestly. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, there was this very sweet little poem in the intro section of the movie. Yeah, I like that. बहुत प्यारी लगी मुझे वो सुन के. Yeah, मतलब what is the story behind it? Did you write it?
हाँ, like I wrote it with my team. Like one of my juniors,
Damn.
she was writing it. So the entire concept of that poem, to include that poem, was वो जो style है, वो हमारा उत्तराखंड का एक style है, आइपन. So I wanted to include something from the roots itself. So वो style हम लोग, I don't know, like you can put photo, like I will send you some photo references. वो लोग floor पे we like put red paint, red color का लगाते हैं, उसमें rice powder से we draw mandalas. Sort of mandalas.
हाँ, mandalas, you know.
That was like वो वाला treatment उस part के लिए रखा गया था to explain Fool Day to everybody, because local is global sort of a concept where people who are not from Uttarakhand, they don't know anything about Fool Day. So to introduce them to this festival, we incorporated that style and that poem in the film. Like वो poem भी, मतलब हाँ, उसका meaning भी वही है कि वो Fool Day को celebrate करते हुए दिखा रहे हैं पुराने time.
नहीं, मतलब I thought like कि मतलब festival से related है, तो it must be some kind of like उत्तराखंड का, मतलब ऐसी बच्चों का rhymes होगा कोई. But then you wrote it. Wow.
Yeah.
you wrote it. खुद लिखा है. बहुत प्यारा है.
वो सुना तो ऐसा लग रहा था actually में कि हाँ, it's like an old folk lullaby. ऐसा सा थोड़ा सा था उसका sound.
One of my junior, her name is Akansha. Like the credit goes to Alex. She was the like I told her कि मेरे को कुछ लिखना है, मेरे को नहीं आ रहा है दिमाग में. I wrote few lines. ये words होने चाहिए, ये ऐसा होना चाहिए. And she took everything and made a beautiful poem out of it. वो रिकॉर्ड करके then we incorporated in the film की होना चाहिए.
Amazing.
Wow.
Amazing.
Tarun
boy, I think we have we have a lot of questions like जो वो वाले, so we should
मैं बस ये पूछना चाह रहा था कि लाइक हैव यू रिलीज्ड एनी टीजर और विजुअल्स जो लोग देख सकें?
Awesome.
हाँ, तो ऐश कंटिन्यू विद द क्वेश्चंस.
Okay, all right. So, pretty much we had जो हमारे खुद के पर्सनल क्वेश्चंस थे उसमें से हमने रफली थोड़ा बहुत कवर कर लिया है. एक क्वेश्चन जो मेरे अभी है लाइक साइड में, इट्स योर फेवरेट एनिमेटेड सीरीज और मूवीज इन जनरल.
Okay, my favorite is Wolfwalker. Abhi currently, it's Wolfwalker. It's a film by Tom Moore, and he's
Mhm.
also like one of my huge inspiration. And I love that film. Like, if you guys can watch it someday,
Sure.
किस बारे में?
Sure.
it's about नाम में ही है Wolfwalker. वो एक दो बच्ची की कहानी है. वो दोस्त होते हैं, उनमें से एक जंगल में रहती है, वो वुल्फ बन जाती है बचपन, मतलब she's born in that family जो वुल्फ बन सकते हैं या वुल्फ हैं. So it's a beautiful story. It's like it's not piece of life, but it's mystery. It has
Is it around that Twilight वाला, क्या नाम था उसका, जेकब वाले के क्लैन की तरह, like because they could transform into wolves, right?
नहीं, वो तो
Yeah,
वेयरवुल्फ वाली चीज ही है. वो ट्वाइलाइट का कुछ ओरिजिनल नहीं है.
एडी वाला चीज तो नहीं है, बट हाँ, it's feel good. It's a feel good movie.
Okay,
तो
okay.
अच्छा है वो. मेरा अभी मेरे को पसंद है. और Spider-Verse obviously.
Oh, Spider-Verse, really good.
That's a W right there. I mean, you know, okay, so मैं tangent create करता जाऊंगा, but okay, next question is actually, what is your favorite non-animated series या फिर movie, like?
इन जनरल तुम
हाँ.
किस तरह का कंटेंट कंज्यूम करते हो?
मैं बहुत ज्यादा बच्चों का कंटेंट कंज्यूम करता हूँ यार. मतलब मैं हॉरर नहीं देख सकता. मैं वैसा मतलब ज्यादा बिल्कुल ऐसे ब्लड शेड नहीं देख सकता. बट आई लव हैरी पॉटर. आई वॉच अ लॉट ऑफ सिटकॉम्स.
Nice.
हैरी पॉटर, सिटकॉम.
दोनों. So what would you say is your favorite sitcom though, like?
OG Friends.
अरे वाह, nice.
मैं बस उसको सुन के सारे विजुअल सोच सकता हूँ, तो वो है. हाँ, अभी तो.
Oh, you mean like you keep watching it in the background when you're doing your own work, right? Yeah, I have the same habit.
One of my top favorite.
I have the same habit. I have 2 laptops जिस पे अभी हम लोग कर रहे हैं, and one of the like पुराने वाले पे episodes चलते हैं, सामने वाले पे editing या जो भी वो चल रहा होता है, that happens. I get you. Okay, so yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Go.
My new addiction is on YouTube. So I love these survival videos. Like जिसमें बस without sound, like without anybody, nobody is talking. They just show a person surviving in the woods. वो या igloo बना रहा है या कुछ बना रहा है. मैं बस वो देख सोता हूँ.
It has you know what, I think I know what you're talking about. Also, like those kinds of videos are kind of, they detach you, you know. They detach you from the digital.
हाँ, मैं वही कह रहा था. वो स्लो डाउन करते हैं, जो इतना ये chaos चल रहा है ना, शॉर्ट फॉर्म एंड ये इतना डोपामिन, वो उसको थोड़ा सा calm down करते हैं.
I agree. The duration is also minimum 30 minutes for a YouTube.
Yeah, you can just
watch the entire thing. वो पूरा जब तक कुर्सी बनाएगा नहीं तब तक मैं सोऊंगा नहीं. वो आराम से बना रहे हैं.
और वो एंड क्रेडिट्स देखने में बड़ा मजा आता है कि पानी चल रहा है यहाँ से ऐसे निकल रहा है.
Yeah.
Okay, so another question is, how do you describe the scene of Indian animation industry? Right? हमने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था even before we.
इसको मैं better phrase करता हूँ.
Yeah, sure.
So हम एनिमे फैंस हैं, ठीक है, और इन जनरल जो भी हमारी ऑडियंस है उनका ये परसेप्शन ऐसा ही है, हमारा भी और उनका भी, कि इंडिया में तो यार कुछ अच्छा प्रोड्यूस ही नहीं होता. ये छोटा भीम, मोटू पतलू ये बनते रहते हैं। और हमारी रिसेंट मेमोरी में अगर हमें कोई अच्छी मूवी याद होगी तो वो अर्जुन द वॉरियर प्रिंस थी एनिमेटेड। एंड वी
Toothcuts,
स्टिल
like
वी स्टिल अभी रामायण रिलीज हो रही है जो 1994 6 में बनी थी ना।
yeah.
it's
no
four. Four?
98 शायद
96 98। सो इतनी पुरानी मूवी हम आज तक प्रेस करते हैं, ऐसा कुछ दोबारा कभी नहीं बना पाए हम। बट फ्रॉम
93 एक्चुअली।
हाँ, उसको रिलीज होने में टाइम लगा था, वो बनी थोड़ी पहले
Yeah.
थी। और सो
It was banned in India for some time.
सो अब तुम एनिमेटर हो, तुम उस स्पेस में हो, तुमने वो टैलेंट देखा है जो इन्वॉल्व है, तुमको पता है कि लोग क्या बना सकते हैं क्या नहीं बना सकते हैं। सो व्हाट इज़ योर पर्सपेक्टिव कि हम कहाँ लैग कर रहे हैं और क्यों हम कमर्शियल लेवल पे ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं बना पा रहे हैं।
Okay. So yeah, I have like huge respect from Ram Mohan and obviously Arnab Chaudhary. They were like the mentors who guided the entire industry at a point, and they still like inspire all of us. But obviously like few things are like not in the right, you know, path जो अभी चल रहा है कुछ commercially. But as Indian animators, I think this content we have different places to show our content, right? So we do have that talent that is like top notch world level, because I personally know some of my seniors also that are there in industry. I don't know if you have seen Divine ka music video, current music Hisab. It's done by Divya Jyoti Sara. So the quality of that animation is like it's top notch. It's like you will share it if you are an Indian, you will feel कि अरे ये चल रहा है, मतलब तो सब कुछ हो रहा है. Just that feature films and these big budget films, I think still like थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा for producers and को producer वाला phase लाने के लिए कि वो पैसा आए, वो नहीं आ पा रहा है. But people are upgrading and now पहले मेरी भी फटती ना छोटी फिल्म बनाने से, but अभी like because we have social media and we have everything, so we can share our film and like we can get audience to react to it. So that is something that is changing, and maybe we can go through this way. इधर से तो उधर से चले जाते हैं. तो कुछ ना कुछ करके कुछ तो होएगा, because there is quality is always there. Just that a lot of Indian animation is kind of more into service providers rather than
outsource
content creator, and outsource के लिए. But that doesn't mean कि they want to do that. It's just that they have to do it, because to make your own content it takes a lot of your own तुम्हें खुद का sacrifice बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है. I am fortunate enough कि I was in a family that supported me to do this, but it's not there for everybody who wants to make a film. So maybe if we can take that shell, and because quality तो obviously है, so somehow like you can manage. Like we have amazing stories to tell. We have amazing animators to animate it. So and even like during the Warrior Prince, Arnab himself told कि backgrounds and all were like easy for him, for his entire team, because India had that quality of quality and strength and skills to do those sort of things. So yeah, obviously it's growing. वो तो उल्टा बढ़ रहा है, because अभी सबके पास iPad हो सकता है. And I also made my entire film in iPad. So yeah.
What?
यार
My entire film is done in iPad. I used a software called Calipag. It's a new software in iPad to animate. I was testing it out and I'm like, okay, इसमें film बनाते हैं. So I made my whole film in that. मेरा तो पूरा iPad.
गजब यार.
हमारे पास रिसोर्सेज होने के बाद भी हम कुछ
यार.
No, but that's so amazing, bro. That is, I mean, like अभी हमको ये डिटेल ही नहीं पता थी कि you did everything on the iPad. हम लोग भाई साहब.
All the
That is
background
crazy.
is done in software, and all the compiling and animation is done on another app.
मैं इन लोगों को भाई देखो, मैं तुम लोगों को बता रहा हूँ, तुम लोगों ने अभी देखा भी नहीं है, हमने देखा और हम तुम्हें बता रहे हैं, ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा कि iPad पे कुछ हुआ है. लाइक ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा है भाई, वो ऐसा लग रहा है प्रोफेशनल, वो नहीं तुझे बड़े से
प्रोफेशनल
टैब
लेवल
होते
का।
हैं,
हाँ यार,
हाँ बड़े टैब्स जो नहीं जिन पे बनाते हैं, दैट काइंड ऑफ इट लुक लाइक दैट गाइस। हम तुमको बता रहे हैं, अभी जब होगी ना रिलीज तब देखना। हम तो फॉर्चुनेट थे भाई, हम तो फॉर्चुनेट थे।
बड़ा
हमको
वाला
अर्ली एक्सेस, हमको तो
है,
अर्ली एक्सेस मिल गया। नो हमें कह रहा हूँ, हमको तो अर्ली एक्सेस मिल गया, चैनल मेंबरशिप थी हमारे पास कार्तिक भाई की। Well, do you think also कि you said कि अभी थोड़ा the space and the environment and the situations around animation is changing in India. Do you think इसमें कहीं ना कहीं anime का कुछ हाथ है? Because you might have noticed कि इंडिया में अचानक से last 2 years से ना एक ऐसा spike आया इंडियन मतलब watchers का, मतलब जितने भी लोग देखते हैं. So do you think it might help out in the future as well? Like
I mean, yes, it will actually help in a positive way because when people start, मतलब हर चीज में, even if I'm talking about production, उसमें हम बोल सकते हैं कि ऐसा कुछ बनाना है या वैसा, but उसमें भी like more than that, what happens now? First, I was telling you, animation is all about studying life and the content also. If people are watching a lot of anime, they will get curious to मेक, और लाइक उनको समझ आएगा कि पहले तो लोगों को पता नहीं था कि एनिमेशन होता कैसे है। अभी जब वन पीस का एपिसोड इतना टाइम लेता है आने में, तब उनको रियलाइज होता है अच्छा एक एक फ्रेम बनना पड़ता है, तब टाइम लगता है
Yeah.
इतना। तो they will understand the effort that goes behind it and they will start respecting every work that will come out of India, and hopefully in a positive way it will be better than what usual is अभी। तो उससे तो बेटर हो ही रहा है, and yeah, it's kind of like it also inspires, yeah, it inspires me also.
I can already tell you, अगर जो अपने anime community के जो लोग हैं, if they watch your film, they will be stunned, because now that you have mentioned you did it on an iPad, they are not gonna believe it. I'm telling you, because it looked that good. And हम तो testimony के उस पे बता रहे हैं कि भाई तुम लोगों ने देखा नहीं है यार, अब यार हम तुमको ऐसे बता रहे हैं भाई, तुम्हारा भेजा उड़ जाएगा। So like kudos to you bro, like it's such a achievement, seriously. So
अभी
yeah,
बड़ा वाला टैग तो मेरे को अभी मिला है, like I won one award, तो उसमें they gave me one बड़ा
next movie incoming, right? Next movie incoming.
it's in process actually.
ओके, यहाँ से मुझे एक क्वेश्चन आया कि आर यू प्लानिंग ऑन अ like a bigger project?
I am hoping like abhi to like it's I do want to do big projects. Like I do want to open my own studio and work on my own projects, and even if like not only my own projects, but I also want to if I'm capable enough, I want to produce new films, like क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों को नहीं मिल रहा है, तो if in some situation if I can be of any help, I would love to do that. Like अभी भी like I am like helping others कि ऐसा चल रहा है, ऐसा जो भी है जिसको like it's a group project. I started animation thinking कि अकेले हो जाएगा, क्योंकि फिल्म मेकिंग when I tried live action, बहुत मेहनत लगता है यार, मतलब एक लाइट लगाने के लिए वो एक वो चाहिए, एक ये चाहिए। एनिमेशन बेस्ट है, लाइटिंग चेंज करना है मैं करके देता है, बट उसके बाद भी अब बनाने का रियलाइज अच्छा साउंड के लिए तो लगेगा कोई, या इसके लिए तो लगेगा उसके, तो इट्स अ टीम एफर्ट एंड ऑफ द
Yeah.
डे। लाइक यू कांट टेक एवरी क्रेडिट फ्रॉम योर फिल्म, दैट्स व्हाई द क्रेडिट लंबा
That's
चल रहा है।
good.
तो वही
Sorry,
लाइक
sir.
तो आई डू वांट टू मेक
Are you in any way, okay, so हमारे अभी इंडिया में एक नया एनिमे बन रहा है, सरप्राइजिंगली इट इज ऑलरेडी, उसका एक लाइक थोड़ा बहुत टीजर ट्रेलर वगैरह रिलीज हो चुका है। इट्स कॉल्ड लाइक ट्रायो या ट्रियो, आई थिंक इट्स बोथ द सेम। So like have you watched it like by chance, like at all, like?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No?
I heard there was one. I saw a trailer of one Indian anime that was around some Devi, I guess.
Karmchakra.
Oh, Karmchakra.
No, not that. Karmachakra?
Some Chakra, I guess. Chakra or
हाँ,
something.
Karmachakra.
I'm
Okay.
sorry, I'm very bad with names. But like I don't know. Like I think I must have seen it, but I don't know.
Karmchakra तो बंद हो गया, right? अब तो it's totally closed, right? Like,
ट्रेलर तो आया था उसका, सिर्फ ट्रेलर और टीजर सॉर्ट ऑफ ही आया था that they are making it. I don't know if that project turned out.
It has been years. जहाँ तक मुझे पता था, मतलब जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें थी, they were trying to get funding and फिनिश करके उसको लाइक OTT मिलना, प्लेटफॉर्म मतलब रिलीज प्लेटफॉर्म मिलना, वो वर्कआउट नहीं किया था जब तक था, एंड उसके बाद से तो कोई अपडेट नहीं है. इट हैज बीन इयर्स.
I mean, again, it's the मैं ये बोलूँगा कि this is like the best time to get into like this, क्योंकि अभी social media है, people are high on watching like animation stuff. They're like, भाई हमको animation देखना है, like अच्छा देखना है, colors देखना. So I feel like अगर इस टाइम पे बनती वो तो थोड़ा वो होता कि it might have gotten something at least. But
And the
anyways,
best collab was obviously Ram Mohan, and that Ramayana is like
Yeah.
half Indian, half Japanese. So it's also
I-
re-released. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
I had no idea the first time I watched it कि it was not fully made in India. मेरे को ऐसा लगा था कि वाओ, इंडिया की एनिमेशन एक टाइम पे ऐसी थी, माय गॉड. और फिर उसके बाद फिर मैं
फिर क्या हो गया?
छोटा भीम देख लिया.
या एग्जैक्टली उसको बचपन में देखा था ना, मतलब दैट मूवी वाज सो आइकॉनिक, सो मेमोरेबल कि ना
वो
जब
हमेशा
जब
था
एनिमे देखना शुरू
माइंड में.
जब एनिमेशन देखना शुरू किया ना, तब वो डाउट क्रिएट हुआ माइंड में वन डे, लाइक वो अपने आप ही आया डाउट, लाइक ओके देयर वाज दिस मूवी जिसको मैं देखा करता था, दैट रामायण मूवी दैट लुक्ड रियली डिफरेंट देन सो फिर वहां से लाइक रिसर्च करना शुरू किया, एंड देन आई
Like-
फाउंड आउट कि ओके दिस इज एनिमे.
like
It's
पता
anime.
है when you see that movie, even जब हनुमान वो पूरा पहाड़ उठा के ऐसे ले जा, right? The birds in the background are so detailedly made, bro. I was like, and उसके बाद जब मेरे को पहली बार रियलाइज हुआ ना कि इंडिया में I was like, oh, that makes sense. Like this is like opening my mind कि भाई अच्छा पूरा का पूरा प्रोजेक्ट इंडिया में नहीं था ये.
And उसमें वो सर कटते हुए भी दिखाते हैं रावण का, काफी ब्रूटली है ना.
It's
Yeah.
have you noticed it's so Studio Ghibli
the-
जैसा.
It is
हाँ
kind of-
स्काई
it gives that feeling. I love the fact you watched it in such detail. पूरा background की birds भी कितना detail है, वो बहुत अच्छा लगा वो सुन. But
It's-
it's like maybe like I'm cutting you off. I'm sorry. It just like अभी मेरे को एकदम से दिमाग में आया. Maybe it's just my personal take. मेरा जो observation है. Cut me if you feel कि गलत जा रहा है.
Yeah, was you.
It's more like that film was made for Indian audience as a whole, as a country. But the content that we are laughing about or like discussing currently these days is not made for Indian audience, is made for Indian kids. छोटा भीम का
हाँ,
audience हम लोग
वो
Yeah.
एनिमेशन मार्केट वो ही क्रिएट हो गया है
हाँ.
टीवी पे.
तो I think we're struggling to get that audience. मतलब इंडियन एनिमेशन का थोड़ा एडल्ट ऑडियंस के लिए जो कंटेंट बनाना है वो we are struggling, and we are again repeatedly discussing about Chhota Bheem, and because I think they are doing right in their own way.
Yeah, that's what we were.
yeah.
We we had this discussion like हम लोग भी
मतलब it's laughable ना जब लोग कहते हैं कि anime is not for kids and then they go bash on some other kid show.
yeah.
छोटा भीम की गलती है, but anime is not for kids.
Yeah, I agree. I think we need.
आई थिंक ये
थोड़ा-
ओवरऑल जो जिस तरह से इंडिया में एनिमेशन डेवलप हुआ है वो थोड़ा सा वो है कि अगर तुम जापान का देखो या अमेरिका का देखो तो एनिमेशन वाज नॉट स्पेसिफिकली मेड फॉर किड्स. एडल्ट से ही शुरू हुआ था पूरा मीडियम, बट देन किड्स ने ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट लिया तो उनकी तरफ भी शिफ्ट हुआ, एंड देन वापस से एडल्ट्स की तरफ वापस भी आया. जैसे अभी अमेरिका में एडल्ट्स हुए मैं, और जापान तो बनाता ही है कितना कुछ, बट इंडिया ने वो फेज नहीं देखा. इंडिया ने इधर उधर से शोज उठाए मोस्टली, एंड उसमें देखा कि सबसे ज्यादा क्या चल रहा है, डोरेमोन, शिनचैन.
हाँ कोची कामे, एंड देन सडनली एक दिन ड्रैगन बॉल जी देखा तो सब लोग घुस गए उसी लाइन से कट लिए सारे.
तो उन्होंने मिक्स ऑफ चीजें चलाई एंड देखा सबसे पॉपुलर क्या है. ओके, लोग डोरेमोन देख रहे हैं, शिनचैन देख रहे हैं, सो वी नीड टू मेक द मोस्ट पीस, मतलब जितना सिंपल हो सके. एंड देन दे केम अप विद देयर ओरिजिनल शोज लाइक छोटा भीम एंड ऑल.
I agree.
But अब वो perception
also, like,
like खत्म हो
अभी
रहा है.
देखो, we want रिक एंड मॉर्टी है यार, इंडियन को बनाओ कुछ. pajama or dhoti.
Yeah.
I was discussing with my friends this Toy Story as a film. I would love to see Woody in some Indian costume or something. Like it will be funny and it will be interesting. So वैसा
You know, funny that you said that because अभी शिनचैन की जो लेटेस्ट जो मूवी आई है उसमें एक रिवील था एट द एंड ऑफ द मूवी कि they might be making their next movie around India, like India के उसमें उसमें नमस्ते
the family will visit India and the adventure
Yeah.
will be set here.
like you said it and it's happening.
Oh, you can see my expression. I saw. Okay, I will
Yeah.
see the
We were shocked. We were shocked. Actually, हमको अपने हाँ हमको अपने एक फ्रेंड से पता चला. He saw that movie in Japan. His name is Nikhil and he was like, उसने देखा, उन्हें आते आते वीडियो बनाई कि भाई तुम लोग सोच नहीं सकते मैं क्या देख कर आ रहा हूँ अभी.
Wow, I'm excited for it then. अभी तो मस्त है. सही है.
Good there. So, Tarun boy, I think we should get moving and ask the questions that we had from the community tab, right?
हाँ ठीक है.
Right?
तुम्ही को पढ़ना पड़ेगा यार रजत
मेरे को पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Oh, okay, no
मैं
worries.
पढ़ सकता हूँ.
Let me also open.
So ये क्वेश्चंस जनरली ऐसे होंगे जिसमें लोग एनिमेशन के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं. हाउ द प्रोसेस वर्क्स, उनको घुसना है तो कैसे, एंड एक एनिमेटर का क्या पर्सपेक्टिव होता है चीज़ों को लेके, उस तरह से.
Got it.
Rajat boy, you want to go first?
Where's the link at?
Oh, उसी
Script
डॉक्यूमेंट
में-
के एकदम बॉटम में है.
सबसे नीचे.
मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछ लेता हूँ अंत में. The question we got is, which animator do you look up to? Which you already told us. And have you ever wanted to become an animation director? What are your views on Utapon, Cubes, and Vincent Chanzet style? Which I don't know. I think we might have to show you, right?
Yeah. Like, can you
Okay.
show me some references? I have.
Okay. Wait. Tarun boy, your voice is gone.
No,
क्या आ गया?
it's about action anime. The names he's mentioning in the question, like the Utapon.
यार अगर किसी ने वो मतलब या विटनेस नहीं किया है, उसके बारे में ऑलरेडी नहीं जानता है, तो
Yeah. That's
I mean,
that beats the purpose.
by any chance, have you watched One Punch Man?
Yeah, I have watched.
Okay.
Thoda like clips उसके. I've
Okay,
seen the
then we can ask. Then we can ask.
Yeah.
right? Okay, wait. Tarun boy, do you want to share the screen or should I share the
हाँ,
screen?
तुम शेयर करो.
I think
Oh,
you were
okay.
saying. अच्छा, you're sharing
No.
the screen.
Yeah. I think मेरा
So,
थोड़ा
you
सा
So Ash, meanwhile you do it. मैं explain करने की कोशिश करता हूँ. So you have seen One Punch Man, right? So you might have seen कि मतलब जब भी ना जैसे होता है like something destroys, like a wall gets destroyed या फिर ground break होता है.
Especially
तो
floor. हाँ.
there हाँ so there is debris होता है, debris होता है. Debris. So it is shown in blocks in anime.
Cubes, rectangular blocks.
Yeah, cube. They are cube shaped. That is called Utapon cubes.
Okay.
In
Uh,
anime, Japanese anime terms.
So,
वो
it's
बेसिकली
about that.
एनिमेटर के नाम से है, युताका नाकामुरा का सिग्नेचर
हाँ,
स्टाइल.
Yutaka Nakamura. Ash,
you guys can see it right now on the screen, right?
get the
share.
visuals.
Where is it? तुमने शेयर किया हुआ है?
हाँ, stream हो रहा है. Stream. You will have to click on the
Okay, yes,
stream.
I can see.
Seen it, right? Something like this. This is Utapon. Okay. Like shattering जो होता है ना एक पूरा
Yeah.
destruction,
Where
Sakuga
is that?
destruction type.
Where is this? Oh, okay.
Stream पे, right? And
Show non-video
Vince.
parts.
Wait, को क्या? ये वाला? ये चलाऊं?
हाँ.
Okay, let's see. Something
Yeah,
like this. Right? This, and then we have Vincent Chanzed style, which is this actually. Let me see. How can I make this bigger?
मेरे में लोड ही नहीं हो रहा.
Really? कोई बात नहीं.
अरे वो तुमने show non-video participant
नहीं
रखा होगा.
वो किया, लोड नहीं हो रहा था.
अच्छा.
Oh, this is actually never mind. But yeah, ऐसा कुछ like something like this.
like
ये
ऐसा कि इसमें क्या है मतलब it's an animation style.
yeah, like वैसे art style भी बोल सकते हैं, right, Rajat boy?
No, the thing is, whenever this happens in an anime, it really stands out. So people have given it a term, Utapon cubes. It's a style of
Yeah.
the person who came up with this.
ये विंसेंट
okay.
चांसार्ड भी आई थिंक एनिमेटर का नाम है, वन पीस पे
हाँ।
वर्क
हाँ,
करते
हाँ,
हैं
हाँ.
ना.
This is the Utapon, but yeah, something like this. So the question that the person was asking was like, which animator do you look up to, which you have already told us, and have you ever wanted to become an animation director?
Yeah, like I look up to Arnab Chaudhary as I told, and yeah, definitely like that is the whole reason ki I want to go into this field, and I like till now like I've made 3 films, so I'm making my 4th one. So yeah, like I want to be a director and like want to learn the process of how this whole things work. Definitely, it's
Awesome.
very
Awesome.
so.
Uh,
Question like Vincent and all, like do I have to
Mhm.
answer anything? Like
I mean, so basically यहाँ पे वो जो बंदा पूछना चाह रहा है वो ये कि what is your view? Do you think कि I mean he didn't specify it, but I think what he's trying to ask is कि do you think it's like hard, you know, like maybe it's मुश्किल है थोड़ा करना है उसे, या फिर you know it's something that seems doable?
I think it's doable if you ask me, right? Like that it's more about like the treatment or like skill wise version you're asking me, right? If you're capable enough to do it, obviously we are, and it is actually like, so the thing is this entire thing works when the story requires it. We can't like forcefully put it anywhere. So if I
You can't put it in full day.
Like
पहाड़ टूट रहे हैं, landslide है.
yeah, I get it.
Wants. Definitely, these are something that we can learn from and can definitely try iterating in that way and also come up with our own, you know, things and our own versions of it. That will be fun. Actually, I would love to try it. Hope action sequence में कभी love to do it.
Maybe, you know, with your new big tab and new fighting.
There will be Karthik cubes.
Yeah.
Uh,
No,
I'm
cubes with a K. Cubes with a K. Cubes. You know?
Cubes with
uh,
Okay.
Ash, अवॉइड करना उन क्वेश्चंस को जो ऑलरेडी आंसर किए जा चुके
Yeah. So, Rajat boy.
Over to the next question. Tell me if we need to avoid this one. So the question comes from Aditya Patil. He asks, what is that one thing that motivates you to do the animation, even though it is a very lengthy process and sometimes it just feels tired, right?
Yeah, it does feels like you're killing yourself.
Yeah.
एक second में 12 frame बनाने हैं, but after playing that 1 second, it's magic. मतलब you feel like best part about animation is everything is done by like a person, like you know it's done by hand, it's done by something. So when you play it, when it moves, it gives you that power of being a god.
You created your
Like
own
that.
world.
That it gives you that feeling कि मैंने कराया ये सब कुछ. So yeah, it's that's the motivating factor to animate. ये जब चलेगा तो मजा आएगा देखने में, क्योंकि एक एक फ्रेम आपको डेप्थ में होता है.
Yeah, I mean, so okay, so this is not from anywhere, and you know, I actually just want to ask from my own perspective. Maybe इसको छोटे से उसमें आंसर कर सकते हैं. It's not related at all, but the way you described it, right? It actually triggered me to ask this question. Ke, you know AI, right? AI is like literally like might be the biggest enemy of the animators and animation, like in general, right? What's your view? Like maybe future-esque way, you know, like about AI?
I disagree with the fact that it's an anime. It's a anime. I feel it's more like, you know, like it makes me think of that age जहाँ पे हम paintings बनाते थे canvas पे, फिर digital आया और सब कुछ colors and all, you don't have to mix it. It's everything
Yeah.
inside that PC or something, word जो जिसमें भी हम draw करते थे, everything became easy, and that made me make this film इतना easy. वरना मैं अभी draw करना होता, वो colors canvas पे put करने होते, it would have taken a hell lot of time, like more than
Yep.
like 20 years, I would say. So this technology helped me to make my process easy, and I feel same is with AI. Tools are designed to make your work easy. Now you don't have to write emails thinking about the person. I can just ask ChatGPT. So I
Yeah.
see AI as more of like a helping hand and like a better. It helps you
Mm.
push or think about other things. You don't have to worry about certain things that might have been a huge chaos for you at a point, but now it's easy because that person is there. अभी क्या हो रहा था, like एक 5 बंदे एक फिल्म बना सकते हैं, अभी AI के थ्रू एक बंदा एक फिल्म बना सकता है आसानी से. So that is actually a good point. So how can we say it's मतलब आपको इन्वॉल्व
Ah,
होना पड़ेगा.
yeah. So it's like in positive light, right? क्योंकि I mean, no. I'm about to create another tangent. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead.
Okay. Ash, third question.
Oh, me. I mean, okay, all right. So, all right, yeah. This is actually a question we actually haven't asked you yet. If you could collaborate with any animator or studio from around the world, right? Who would it be and why?
Okay.
Like anybody, like literally.
I think animated studio, right? I can say a studio, right?
Yeah. Sure.
I would love to do with Pixar.
Oh, okay.
No, I do 2D animation, but like it's something I think I can learn a lot from them, because something is working there. That we require. Yeah, that's the motivation of life. To bring
Do you
Pixar.
have any favorite Pixar movie? Like,
All of them, actually, all of them. I love all of them. But top, abhi Cars, actually Cars, yeah.
oh,
I
W
love
choice.
Cars is my
W
favorite.
choice. W choice.
मेरी personal
W
favorite
choice.
Cars. So good.
मैं टॉर भी उसी में है ना भाई.
Mater.
Sorry,
जैसे
Mater.
जैसे
Everything
टमाटर
about
वैसे ही Mater.
Yeah.
Even Arnab was like the first and I think the only Indian who was invited to Pixar to screen his film. Arjun
Wow.
Lawrence. Yeah, and John, like who's the CEO of Pixar, he actually wrote a letter to end up thanking him for Arjun the Warrior Prince. So yeah, Indians did reach that level. It's not like we are struggling. People who are capable enough have done a lot of things. Just that we need more like that.
Yeah.
तो होएगा.
Definitely.
हो रहा है धीरे-धीरे. But Pixar, yeah.
Pixar.
Yeah, Pixar.
All right. Rajat boy, next question
one.
to you.
You go.
You go?
I'll-
Okay. All right. Let me ask. Okay. Yeah, okay. This is actually a fun one. Actually, I was looking forward for this one, okay? I don't know why this person does this, but okay. How's the dating life for animators? Like, you don't get time for yourself at all, right?
सो पाते हैं आप?
मैंने क्यों बोला था I'll take the next one. मैंने क्यों बोला? Why do you think?
ये तो बहुत okay, I was not expecting this. Your work is your life.
But
काम से ही प्यार हो गया है.
काम से ही प्यार करते हैं. Yeah, like it's normal like any other person. Nothing different. You do get time to do everything.
I mean, see, मैंने पता क्या एक चीज है like and I feel like it's a very themed thing about people who are like very successful in their lives, but at some point they do say कि भाई हाँ मैं खुद हूँ, मैं अकेला हूँ, मैं दुनिया हिला दूंगा, you know, and along the way there is a friend who's like, hey, I want to get married, you know, like something. मतलब वो वहाँ पे जाके होता है, but like अच्छा ठीक है, let's be real. So do you think कि
I would say one thing, like in relationship you have to give updates, right? आज ये करा, some interesting happened to me, ये happened, ये. When you're animating 12 फ्रेम ही बनाया तो 1 सेकंड भी दिखता है, यही हुआ.
नया क्या बताऊं?
Yeah.
नया क्या
भाई
Presentation.
it
Let
is
me
पता है,
show you आज क्या हुआ.
ये हर उस इंसान के साथ है जो अपने कमरे में ही अपना ही कुछ काम कर रहा है। वो
वही,
क्या
वही, वही।
बताएगा, मैं तो पूरे दिन अपने कमरे में ही था।
कमरे में बैठा हूँ. हाँ वही ना कि आज कौन सी लड़की से बात कर, भाई यही था भाई मैं. मैं यही था भाई
ये कुर्सी
कमरे
है
में
ना,
आज.
इससे मैं 2 बार उठाऊं बाथरूम जाने के लिए।
बस. Yeah, okay. Cool. Sorry, Rajat. Boy, I stole your question.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Let's go.
Next turn.
Oh, this is a good one. As a new animator, how to pick an art style?
How to pick an art style? Watch different variety of content. Like not even like just art style, also genres. मतलब it helps.
Okay.
It helps a lot. आप अलग अलग genres देखो, अलग अलग चीज देखो, आपको समझ आएगा ब्रेन में कि अच्छा ये लोग कर कैसे रहे हैं वो implement. And that will somehow because your story is also mixture of few things. मतलब it's just upgraded version of some other style, I would say. That is design also. Like design is not more about invention, it's more about making your life easy and upgrading things. So that is same with animation. You watch a lot of contents with different style and then come up. It will help you a lot. कि इधर से एरिया उधर से एरिया and then make something of your own. And slowly
Yeah.
without even you realizing it, people will ask you question कि आपने कैसे डेवलप करा अपना स्टाइल. मेरे को तो अभी पता ही नहीं मेरा स्टाइल भी है या नहीं है. मतलब yeah, that happens.
Like, yeah, I mean, that actually sounds familiar. Because even Usman Riaz said the same thing. He used to consume a lot of Studio Ghibli. And like, if you watch Glass Worker, you can see it is somewhat in that sphere, you know. So, I get that. Okay. There is a good question here as well, but it's a very long question. Yeah, lena chahiye kya? Shit. It's a very good question, definitely. It's around, okay, let me just ask anyways. Who do you think the Indian government, why do you think the Indian government hasn't invested?
इसको
in the-
उसने काफी स्टेटमेंट वे में लिखा है।
Yeah,
but in general
all,
like you see, I think हम kind of discuss कर चुके हैं already. The core of the question is कि जापान में इतना कुछ होता है, अमेरिका में इतना कुछ होता है, इंडियन गवर्नमेंट या इंडियन कंपनीज क्यों इन्वेस्ट नहीं करती इस मीडियम में जबकि इसमें इतना पोटेंशियल है।
यार वो तो
यही
मैं
जिस्ट
भी-
है ना क्वेश्चन का।
हाँ मतलब मैं भी वही पता कर रहा हूँ, अभी आंसर तो नहीं मिला है यार. Trying my
It's
best
fine,
to
it's
figure out
fine.
why. But that's what I was saying कि आप खुद से ही पैसे बना के खुद ही बना लो. That is better than asking and begging. जब तक होएगा तो फिर खुद ही मिल जाएगा. But yeah, I know like some projects do get funded from government, but they somehow like in the process they become something else. So that
Government actually funds these projects.
yeah, like I made a ad for voting campaign, so I know they pay well also. But the content.
But that's not funding, right? They paid you for the voting campaign.
Because it was for the committee. It was like for the
Huh?
central. It was for the
oh.
election. It was to get people aware about voting. So it was like the
Yeah.
government initiative. So they do have certain funding for entertainment and all. But the thing is like when this whole process, the people that you're working with, it's more like आपको भी मजा नहीं आता और क्या बोलना. It's better to just for like we call it कि रोटी का काम है, मतलब वही रोटी लेने के लिए बस काम कर रहे हैं, करना तो कुछ और ही है अपना खुद का बात.
okay.
But like they struggle a lot. It's very underpaid industry, animation industry.
Yeah.
अंडर पेमेंट तो जापान में भी एक इशू है।
Yeah.
Knowing about Indians, I know we are too lazy. If we are not getting paid, we are not gonna work.
Like, I mean, even yeah, like you said, like Japan में भी काफी बड़ी दिक्कत है ये, and वहाँ तो some people actually take up animation because they have been lonely, you know, like they're like कि we have all of this energy, right? कोई दोस्त नहीं है वहाँ. Actually बहुत ज्यादा वो है, like loneliness का एक factor है वहाँ पे definitely, because people hire somebody else to just spend a day with. So it's like very,
old people वाला भी ना,
हाँ
you can
भाई,
write old
There
men.
there are more.
हाँ,
नहीं वो
Oh,
ऐसा
yeah.
होता है ना उनके साथ, वो ऐसा होता है कि मतलब दे वर्क देयर होल लाइफ एंड देन दे लाइक उनकी मतलब सोशल लाइफ रह जाती है वैसी सूखी सूखी सी, एंड देन इन द ओल्ड एज दे आर अलोन.
There was
Right.
recently an anime around this. It's called Zom 100. Okay, and in that anime, they like the first episode. उसी में दिखा देता है कि you know like the guy is when he gets a job, like you said, right? His job is his job. That's all he has now. कि मतलब वहीं सो रहे हैं, वहीं उठ रहे हैं, वहीं काम चल रहा है, बस processed food खा रहे हैं वहाँ पे बैठ के, वही चल रहा है. And the biggest happiness he gets in his life is a zombie infection breaks out in the world, and now he's like, अब तो मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. So that's very, it's right there. But now that you're, yeah, sure. It's a very good show. Now that you're actually, you know, about to go to Japan, I would say like you can see all of these things. You know, like you will feel like कि हाँ लोग थोड़े से वो हैं, like you know, like मतलब they of course open up to their friends and families whatever, but like जैसे हमारे इंडिया में क्या होता है, लाल बत्ती पे भैया खड़ा है, कोई उनसे बात, हाँ यार आज तो गर्मी बहुत है भैया, आज हाँ यार गर्मी आज बहुत है.
वही कैरेक्टर मुझे पूछता है यार, भाई आप बताओ.
भाई,
मैं तो अपने रैपर वालों की बात
मैं-
करने लग जाता हूँ.
मैं अभी बस में आया, मेरे साथ वाले बंदे ने मुझे चिप्स ऑफर कर दिए. मैं हंटर देख रहा, भाई चिप्स खाएगा क्या? ला खा लेंगे.
Yeah, like this kind of thing is, मतलब I am also living in Poland, and I literally am telling you, like the reason for me to miss India is that कि यार वो घर वाली फीलिंग ही नहीं है यार, पता नहीं, like it's like people बहुत distant हैं अपने में इतने, और यहाँ भाई तुम पड़ोसियों से जाके पूछो भाई चाय वाय बनाओ भैया, पकौड़े थोड़े से you know, थोड़ा सा बैठे. But it's
पड़ोसी.
जापान में जापान में पता चलेगा, लाइक जापान में यू वुड बी लाइक हाँ यार यहाँ तो है, लाइक यहाँ तो कुछ है दिक्कत. So
Articulating it in a wrong way, but yeah, I heard, like I was watching some vlogs about Japan. They said कि you can also rent a girlfriend for a night, और मतलब वो सिर्फ घूमने के लिए खिलाओगे उसको
No.
पैसे दे.
नाइट नहीं, मतलब वही घूमने
For a
फिरने,
night.
डेट करने के लिए वैसा.
Yeah. we have a friend Rachit करके एक हमारा दोस्त है, and yeah, he had this experience actually. He went there and he was like करते हैं, you know, but काफी just for like content stuff था, like not for like, you know, but anyways. So
Okay, over to the next question. please.
next question is and this is actually a very genuine one. I feel like this question, you know, will somewhat bring out your creativity more. If you were able to make the same film again, what changes would you implement to save time or improve the overall quality of the movie? Are there any aspects you would approach differently in hindsight now?
Yeah, like definitely every time you watch your film, मेरे को तो ऐसे डटी लगता है, मतलब because you only see things that have gone wrong.
Yeah.
That's how you feel. खुद का कंटेंट देखने में बार-बार आप देखोगे तो वो लगता है कि ये ऐसा होता वैसा होता.
It's a
I
curse
would
we are born
It's a
with.
also like but there's one point, even if I get the chance to remake it or like to do it again, it will never be finished. It's a artist hunger कि you have to abandon it. It can never be perfect. That's the
Yeah.
fun part. The best part.
That's
Perfection chase करना is very
bro.
Useless.
counterproductive.
That's so similar to what Usman Riaz said. Do you remember?
And-
He said something like कि
सेम
He
चीज
said the same
शिंकाय
thing.
ने बोली थी, पता है? You
हाँ,
know
भाई
Makoto
सेम
Shinkai.
चीज सेम स्टेटमेंट शिंकाई ने दिया था. दैट इज लाइक मतलब उसने बोल दिया तो अब सबका सेम ही हाल है.
मतलब
Yeah,
so that's a very common. Wow, okay. Like
यार
actually
हम भी
में
हम भी जब वीडियो बनाते हैं ना, एक्सपोर्ट बटन दबाते हैं, ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये कंप्लीट चीज नहीं है, ये मैं
yeah.
कुछ और कर सकता हूँ अभी भी इसमें.
कुछ और कर सकता हूँ नहीं कि कुछ और कर सकता हूँ नहीं, मतलब ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कि ये फाइनल प्रोडक्ट है. ये अभी भी लग रहा है कि मतलब ये अभी चीज ये प्रोसेस में है. कि मैं
That
दिखा
is
नहीं
their
सकता
like-
किसी को.
But
Yeah,
when you show it to somebody else, they're like, wow.
yeah.
one director I read a lot about directors, like I see their journey. A director का एक film से you cannot judge it. मतलब you cannot tell what kind of a person he is. They evolve while making films. मतलब आप जितना बनाते जाओगे उसके साथ साथ फिल्म तो अलग होगी बट आपका टेंजेंट मतलब उससे कनेक्टेड रहेगा. लाइक यू वो एज अ इम्तियाज अली, लाइक आई फॉलो हिम अ लॉट. तो उनका कहाँ से
Oh.
स्टार्ट होकर अक्षर कैसे आई, तमाशा कैसे आई, वो एवरीवेयर यू विल सी उनका लाइफ का कुछ पार्ट उसके अंदर. So it's like a journey, like it's a learning arc that goes through. And so second thing, if I would have changed in the full day was, I am taking a lot of time to answer this, but
No worries, no worries, no worries. Cool. No, no.
Fulla Fully are like my favorite characters in the film. They are those Squirrels characters.
Oh, yeah, in the start of, yeah.
फूल ला के
I
देते हैं.
want to tell the story behind them. I'm interested about that. So उसमें क्या है, like those characters, they are flying squirrels of Uttarakhand. They are actually like जो यहाँ पे हैं.
Mhm.
So when I was like when I was writing the story for the first time in 2020, I heard this news कि वो extinct हो गए हैं. Like flying squirrels
Oh.
of Uttarakhand got extinct.
Oh,
And I
wow.
was like, bro, I was just about to promote Uttarakhand and ये extinct हो गए हैं. And I want to involve them in the film as a tribute. कि they used to exist, right? So मैंने उनको include करा, I developed those characters and all. But film बनाते बनाते in 2023, when I was doing my secondary research, I got to know that they found 5 squirrels in Rajaji National Park. So the entire purpose of those characters got changed for me. So now Fulla Fully are my favorite characters because if you notice, if you will rewatch the film for the second time, you'll see the film starts with them entering the frame,
Yeah.
and उसके बाद camera zoom in होता है. So those characters are representing hope. So the entire purpose of Full Day, they are representing hope because they came back from extinction. So now they are hoping that these people who have abandoned this, villages might also come back. And that is where, like in the whole film, they are guiding Medha to a certain path or like to a certain location.
That
Find
adds
out.
a whole
Wow.
new layer.
Yeah. Actually, हमने ये पर्सपेक्टिव सोचा नहीं था. अब हम लोग को समझ में आ रहा है थोड़ा.
That's why I wanted to talk about it. Like those are like I had like very deep meaning behind those two.
It sounds like one of those explanations जो Instagram पे देती नहीं लड़के, ये तमाशा में इसने डाली रेड शर्ट, इसका मतलब ये होता है कि ये गुस्से में था, ये पर्पल रंग उड़ा, पर्पल रंग का मतलब होता है लॉयल्टी.
Yeah. Bro, actually, wait, you said you watch sitcoms, right? So you must have watched How I Met Your Mother, right? And How I Met Your Mother में एक theory थी similar to this about purple and yellow theory. Do you know about this one कि Ted की life में जो कुछ भी yellow था, only that was the good thing in his life. But when you rewatch the show, मतलब mother का umbrella yellow था, but Robin was always wearing purple. Like it blew my mind. Like and now
That
you know
is
it's. Yeah, it's the detail like you mentioned कि squirrels actually were like guiding her. I was like, oh shit, अभी तो दोबारा देखना पड़ेगा. Like rewatch the movie again.
Yeah, those are like
my point
nuances.
was the same कि मतलब it sounds like one of those story मतलब theories मतलब बहुत stretch sound करती हैं, but those times they are not true. अभी squirrels वाला तो it adds a new layer.
तो बड़ा देखना पड़ेगा. Seriously, like we missed it. We accidentally we were focused on the हम तो anime वाले से like भाई colors देखो.
मिस की बात नहीं है. I don't think कोई इसको इतनी आसानी से कैच कर सकता है. कोई like बहुत ही
नहीं,
ज्यादा
नहीं.
सोचेगा, डायसेक्ट करेगा तो ये.
Yeah. Those are like
Definitely.
nuances that you don't want to communicate directly, but that are there in the film for yourself or for the audience जो बार-बार देख रही है यहाँ पे से. Easter eggs sort of.
Yeah, exactly. So, Tarun boy,
Okay,
I
over
feel
to the
you have one more question.
एक last question
Okay.
बचा है. एक last
Mhm.
बचा है. मतलब there are two more, but I think one of them we have already went through. Yeah, मतलब discussion में cover हो चुका है वो. Okay. What's the name of this guy? यार बढ़िया. Okay, sorry, bro. Okay. He says, I want to storyboard my story and my art isn't that nice. तो अब मैं कैसे अच्छा स्टोरी बोर्ड बना सकूं ताकि मैं किसी के सामने अपनी स्टोरी प्रेजेंट कर सकूं.
Okay. I think storyboard is something that is required, but in the film. But if not, like if your drawing skills are not like great in storyboard, you can always do thumbnailing. Matlab, that's like the initial stage of storyboard. You roughly ideate your visuals, and then you can always show reference photos or like reference images. The kind of AI तो अभी आ गया, उसका यूज कर लो, या फिर मतलब तुम उस, क्योंकि आपका कोई ना कोई मूड तो ला रहा है उस पर्टिकुलर फ्रेम में, उसका रेफरेंस वो रखो. मतलब आई डिडंट इवन हैड अ प्रॉपर pitch when I was, talking to my sound people like that music band Pandavas. But I had a lot of visual gallery कि मेरे को ऐसा ऐसा कुछ चाहिए. मतलब मैंने उनको उन्होंने सबके screenshots दिखाए हैं. So it's okay, like you can always you have the time to develop your skills, but that should not be the thing that is stopping you to move forward. You
Yeah.
always have
Yeah.
a alternative option, right? So yeah, focus on your skill and then also find alternatives if it is not working out. That's the only thing I would say.
That makes sense, actually. Yeah.
So these were the audience
these-
questions.
Yeah, these were the audience questions. And wait, guys, do you have any, Rajat boy, your personal में कुछ बचा है?
Personal में यार.
Because I think you didn't ask. You asked like one, maybe. I'm not sure. Did you have more?
No, I didn't यार. मुझे तो बस
Okay,
इतना
okay.
याद है. I watched that and मेरे को बहुत अच्छी सी फीलिंग आई.
हाँ.
7 मिनट की फिल्म देख के.
टायर का मूवमेंट.
Yeah.
Yeah. वो चीज पहले, like that is the first thing you notice when you watch it, because that's when it starts to move actually.
Okay, yeah.
and वो main character का design थोड़ा ऐसा था, मतलब क्या, like what is that golden color shape on her head? वो
On a forehead. So the
Yeah.
film, the world is Dev Bhumi. It's happening in the fictional world of Dev Bhumi. So I wanted to give that larger than life, like attribute to them. जो एक फेस्टिवल होता है उत्तराखंड में देसाई, जिसमें पूरे माथे पे they put टीका, and
Yeah.
tika is something like that connects with that kind of a place. So I gave that tika sort of a shape to all the characters in their forehead, and that also connects to their nose. And it was something that I felt कि थोड़ा अलग बना रहे हैं औरों से. So that was like one decision as a creative liberty I took for those characters कि उनका नाक से टीका स्टार्ट होता है. And even the
That
squirrels
is a
have it.
tika.
Everybody has it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
मेरे को तो पता था already, because I know, like मैं तो वहाँ से मैं रह चुका हूँ वहाँ पे, so I know.
And the
Okay.
trophies are-
Yeah. Tokis as well. Okay, Karthik bhai. So I think this might be the last question. Here's the question. People who are watching this podcast right now, they have no idea what we are talking about at all, like the visuals या कुछ भी. हम जितने इसमें express कर रहे हैं, they won't be able to get that. So my question is like, is there anything you want to tell them before they consume the movie, like later on, maybe बाद में जाके जब देखें उससे पहले, you want to say something to them?
Yeah. So Full Day, it's a short. Like, you want me to introduce the film or like?
I mean, like whatever you feel like they should know these things before watching the film. Like.
Oh, okay. So yeah, Full Day is an animated short film. It's a 2D animated short film that I've made. So definitely, like I will share some visuals with you so you can put it along with the podcast. But apart from that, like you can see trailer, teaser, everything on the social media. We have our own page, Full Day Animated Short Film, and is my page @Imaginative Banda. You can follow it and like consume like the contents that we are putting out. All the announcement posters are connected to the characters and everything, like it revolves around those stories. So yeah, it's about Uttarakhand. It's an animated film for India by Indian, with Indian,
and representing India outside, like globally, actually. Yeah.
luckily,
Mr.
globally,
Worldwide.
Mr. Worldwide, yeah.
Mr. Worldwide.
Thank you. But like it's going places, but soon we'll release it. We look forward to you guys watching it, giving your feedback, and yeah, like more films are coming out. I'm working on more. So yeah, that's Full Day.
Karthik Studios in the
यार ये एक्चुअली मुझे एकदम स्टार्टिंग से थोड़ा सा बग कर रहा है. डू यू हैपन टू नो अ पर्सन नेम्ड रॉब फ्रॉम
Yeah, Rob.
Rob. Yeah. Oh, because you have the look. Because of the look.
Oh damn! I notice it now.
तुम बिल्कुल उसकी तरह लग रहे हो.
Rob
Now I-
from yeah. Yeah.
Now I
नहीं,
cannot
यार.
unsee it.
Yeah, I cannot unsee it now actually.
No. Sorry, that's a compliment for me. Actually, a huge compliment. I met him. He's also
Ah.
an NID, he's my senior from NID.
Oh,
I met
what?
him at one festival.
Wow.
I'm from Bhopal. He's from Ahmedabad. But yeah, I met him one of the film festival. Huge fan moment हो गया था, ऐसे शिवा कर रहा था. But yeah, he's
I actually saw
He
him.
made our childhood यार. मैं
Yeah, seriously.
सारे आर्ट शोज में ना मैड वाज लाइक टॉप टियर. उस जैसा कुछ था ही नहीं.
one of his I saw in one of the live streams. I follow his live streams. So his inspiration or his senior was also like one of his mentor was Arnab also.
हाँ.
Arnab Chaudhary. Yeah. He was also like the person behind the concept of MAD. Like he worked on it. So yeah, MAD made our childhood actually. बहुत ज़्यादा. मेरे को तो बहुत
Bro,
करा था.
I'm just thinking if they make a spin-off, they should like approach you, like like this is Rob's cousin, Karte. But-
One of the credits for the film. Film में Full Day में I've given credit to Gaurav Jayal also. Gaurav Jayal, he worked in
Yeah, I know.
Art Attack.
Art Attack. I know.
He's also
He's-
from Dehradun.
हाँ.
What? Oh wow! Did he also help in this? Like, he also helped in the movie.
Yeah, he's the faculty from college.
हाँ.
Yeah,
Wow.
he comes to
He
has-
right now is
art-
faculty there.
Yeah, like he is a guest faculty, so he comes to he was in our campus quite some time when I was working on my film,
Yeah.
and he has guided me a lot. Yeah.
Like,
अच्छा है.
these three have made our childhoods. Like Prateek from FAQ, right? Right, and then Art Attack, and then Mad. It's like wow, But anyways, Tanu boy. So I think, yeah. Sorry.
OGs.
Yeah, OGs, exactly. Definitely. All right. So, Tarun boy, I think that's all we have, right? Like,
हाँ.
abhi sara patake jala diye maine. Wow. Anyways, Karthik, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much, for accepting the invitation again. And हम फिर से तुम सबको बता रहे हैं, तुम लोगों ने नहीं देखी है, लेकिन जब देखोगे ना, मतलब भाई, we'll put all of these links.
Yeah.
Yeah, ऐसे पटाखे
Yeah,
चल जाएंगे
ऐसा
मन में.
यार मूवी
Thank you.
मूवी मतलब although it's very short but it leaves such a profound impact.
Impact.
मजा
Yeah.
आ जाएगा.
नहीं,
That means a lot. Thank you so
no,
much.
like seriously, it has a lasting impact. Like you said, right? कि एक movie देखने के बाद you have that atmosphere still around you somehow. Like it's around you basically. And वही हमारे साथ हुआ. हम लोग जो consume करी movie, we were like, wow, दिन अच्छा जा रहा है.
It changed the whole vibe of the day.
Yeah, it changed the whole day. So yeah,
Thank you so
thank you so much for coming on Chai with Senpai again. And guys, सारे links bio में होंगे, तो जाके follow कर देना. Stay updated for full day, and भाई को follow भी कर लेना please. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this particular episode. We'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Shabba khair. Konbawa. Oyasumi. Whatever.
Have a nice tea.
Have a nice tea. All right. Chalo.